So welding is very diverse. There's multiple different processes that you can do in welding. One of the things I like is TIG right now. It's very relaxed. It takes your time, but I mean, it's really, you get to focus on it and be able to put, I mean, pretty much you're welding two pieces of metal together, and so it's pretty cool while relaxing. I mean, it's pretty easy. There's multiple jobs out there, so it's great opportunities for careers.
Started the welding program down there at G-Tech in Geneva during my high school career, and I just fell in love with it and decided to continue going on with it to my long certificate.
So I do like hands-on learning. I'm a person that loves to watch it and then I can do it. So Joey Jackson and also Mr. Butterfield, they both do great at showing us what we need to do and how to do it. They explain it. They're very loud. It's really loud in here, if you can tell. So they're very good at articulating what we need to do and making sure that we get it done.
How I would explain it is, if you really want to learn a trade that's hands-on and uses your brain a lot, this is going to be a good one with because you're fit up and then you got to weld it together. It's all about hand-eye coordination. You'll learn many different types of welding, and it's going to be all together a great career and a great experience.
As of right now, I'm married with a kid, and so I've been looking at jobs that can support my family. And the great part about that is that it really can work. I will say there's jobs around here that can help you, and then to get out further.